Hey guys! They're over there.
This is Daddy.
That's Bella. Today we're gonna celebrate Mother's Day.
Yay!
It's your mommy, right?
Is she mommy?
Mommy over there.
Yeah.
My mommy at her house.
Yeah. She's grandma.
Okay, so today we're gonna do celebrate Mother's Day by doing a hot pot.
Yeah, hot
Right here, you got pork belly. That's my stuff.
Yeah.
That's all I'm gonna eat, most of it. And there's gonna be pepper. You have cilantro, hot chili pepper, garlic, lemon, soy sauce, salt. You got meatball,
Meatball.
fish meatball,
Meatball.
beef meatball. You got squid, you got seafood mix, squid, all that stuff. The baby squid, shrimp, the biggest shrimp, lobster. And you got the hot pot coming 3-piece. The pot right here, 1 piece. The barbecue, another piece. And the bottom, 1 piece. So you put them all together. And then right here you got cilantro, seafood mushroom. You got lettuce, and then you got the Chinese convolvulus. That is in the broil. Right here, you got water, the chicken granulated soup base mix. So you have a chicken. First, you mix it up in the pot first, and then you can put it in here. I think that is it.
Now it's
Yep,
cooking.
that is it.
Okay, right?
Yeah. Alright, so something I missed, I forgot to tell you, this hot pot is going to cost you about $50 to $80. So you can get it online at the store, Asian store, Amazon. So put all the seafood veggies in the hot pot, except for the pork belly. They go onto the barbecue. So I hope you enjoy your Mother's Day. Treat your moms out. Treat her real good to good food. Because you only have this day once a year.
But that's good.
Good. Pepper. Alright. Reason why my mom's not here. I tried to offer to her, but she declined my offer because she was busy tonight. I tried to offer her to cook hot pot at her house, but she's busy. She said she's busy. Maybe next time. Alright, so I forgot to mention that glass noodle. Vermicelli. You mix that in a hot pot too. Real good. Alright, so thank you for joining us. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Enjoy your food. Enjoy Mother's Day.